Hi everyone, I am Gaurav Lokhande, completed my bachelor's degree in computer science engineering. Today I am here to demonstrate my mini project that is server monitoring tool. Tracking multiple servers are time consuming. For example, one organization is having 40 to 50 servers and monitoring them are time consuming one. According to research, monitoring tool saves lots of time for the server teams. So today here I am with the solution for this problem is deploying monitoring tool on one server which will monitor that multiple servers and that will send email notifications. Also let's talk about the capabilities of monitoring tool that are usage of servers, services and many more details. It gives scheduled notification of report for the failed servers. Multiple Linux servers can be monitored. Now let's move to the demonstration of a tool. This is the demonstration video of server monitoring tool. First look at the dashboard page. On dashboard page we are having 5 elements. First one is number of hosts which we have added in our tool. Second is number of failed hosts means hosts which are not reachable due to connectivity issue. Next is number of success hosts means hosts which are reachable at this moment. Fourth one is the form. Through this form we can add host details and second form is for configuring email details on which we will get the email notification through our scheduler. Now let's jump on the second page, that is host. On this page we can see our 5 hosts and username. Through this page we can edit the host details and we can delete our host. Let's move to the third page, that is service. On service page we can see our service details of which are running on our servers. Through this page only we can start or stop the service, and on this menu icon we can change our server and by changing this we can get the details of that server. Now let's move to the next page, that is utility checks. On utility check page, we can see disk usage, uptime, memory usage, swap usage, and running processes on the server. Now let's move to our next page, that is scheduler. On scheduler page, we can schedule our email notification, and through a reset button we can reset our schedule. And here we can see the list of our schedules also. So at in the last, let's jump to our email template. We will be receiving our emails through this subject, and here we can see the server details attachment. In this Excel file we can see our failed host, disk usage, RAM usage, services and running processes. This is the demonstration
So,
video
in the
of
end,
server
I
monitoring
will
tool.
hear this presentation
First look at the
by saying
dashboard page.
thanks for
On
watching
dashboard
our
page we are
presentation.
having 5 elements. First one